All right, so you're looking at Coach Love, or you just bought Coach Love, or maybe you need to make your fragrance buy cart have 5 items in it to get the free shipping, and you're like me, and that's how you end up with this 30 milliliter bottle of Coach Love. Obviously, this is a fragrance for women. This is from Coach, and it comes in a nice little pretty Coach bottle with a little tassel on it with a heart, all that fun stuff. Presentation is very, very cute, very adorable, makes a great gift for that reason alone. But as far as the fragrance breakdown, it's very simple. Top notes of wild strawberry, center notes of rose, and then bottom notes of cedar. Essentially, this is going to give you a really big burst of strawberry, very sweet, sweet strawberry in the beginning. I would almost make it like, I would equate it to like the fragrance or smell of strawberry candy, not so much strawberry like fresh cut strawberries or something similar to that. So if you're looking more for, like, for lack of a better term, a greener or more natural strawberry, you'll probably need to look elsewhere. But other than that, it's a very, very nice little fragrance. This little 30 ml bottle was $25 at Fragrance Buy. I can't really find a whole lot of listings online from discounters, but they do show up every now and then. I'm sure you can go look it up and find it. I'll probably link it in the description somewhere, or have the product link that you can click on with like the affiliate program. But those are the main notes and the price. Now, it has a little locking mechanism, so if you turn the little atomizer to the right or left, it'll basically turn off. So basically, this is for the ladies in their purses, so you can turn it to the side and safely throw it in your purse, since it does not have an actual cap on it. This is functionally a travel size amount of 30 mils, so again, very small, very compact, still very cute, very sweet. Got the little protective stuff over the heart there, got that little leather or leatherette pouch thing, because most Coach like fragrances come with a little like tab that's made of like Coach leather, just to kind of advertise it. And that's why the box had that fake leather pressing on it. Coach is very, very proud of their leather products. And we'll just do a few quick sprays here, and you'll notice right off the bat, when you do try this, it is just a burst of candy strawberry. That's what you get. It's very, very pleasant. There's nothing bad about it. The rose is in there as well, but the rose is never there absent the strawberry. So if you're thinking it's going to like have like a top note that kind of fades, and a middle note that kind of takes the lead, and then the bottom note's what you end up with, that's not what it's going to be. It's really going to be strawberry the whole time, with a little bit of rose, and that rose and strawberry kind of make way for some more cedar notes to come in at the very bottom of the dry down. It's a good 4 to 6 hour kind of fragrance. Longevity projections pretty intimate, I'd say. I wouldn't say like if you walk by somebody you might smell them, but if you hug someone you'll definitely smell them. If you're standing across the room from somebody, you're not going to be stinking up the room, so ladies, don't worry about being overly over the top of that smell. If you are someone who tends to get headaches from overly sweet fragrances, that opening note might hit you, so just be careful with that. It is a very, very candy sweet kind of fragrance with the strawberry. The atomizer, as you can see here, isn't the best in the world. Remember, this is their 30 ml size, so maybe it's just a consequence of the size, but you'll see a lot of spurting there at the end. It's kind of just leaving a lot on my fingers there. I had my fingers smelling like strawberries for about 5 hours there without washing them. But yeah, right here, especially with this close-up, you'll see a lot of spurting at the end. So not the best atomizer in the world, but overall, a very, very nice, pleasant, feminine scent. Very youthful. I would not say this, like any teenage girl could wear this comfortably. They wouldn't smell like an old lady. And any person under the age of 60 would wear this. They wouldn't seem like they were trying to be a super young teeny bopper. It's not like a teeny bopper kind of scent. It's more of a just youthful, feminine fragrance. And the rose kind of levels it out a little bit. But again, that strawberry really does take the forefront. And throughout even the dry down, even when the cedar starts to kind of come through, that's really all it does. It just kind of comes through the other smells. It doesn't really take over for any of them. It kind of just projects itself into the strawberry that's already there. That's kind of like leveled off a little bit. And then you get a little bit of cedar to go along with it. So from top to bottom, a nice fragrance, not super complex, does the job, and the price point is like under $30 online. So it's a pretty good deal for this little travel size.